Yeah, I am sitting here crying like a baby. Okay, watch it. So what's your haircut schedule like?
Back-to-back days.
That's stupid.
You thought I was gonna keep growing my hair out right now? Are you crazy?
Well,
yeah, Trader Joe's.
Gonna get some groceries.
Yeah.
I'm anxious to start saying like she, he, she. Good morning. Good morning. You looking like yesterday. Well, Diamond woke up this morning. He was up at his school time. Driving me crazy. They're having cereal. I'm having the most nutritious meal in the house. Leftover hot wings from Hot Islands. They have some of the best hot wings ever. And Daddy's gonna be enjoying the same thing. You look like yesterday. Oh no, I shouldn't be showing myself. Let me see. You look okay. So what's your haircut schedule like?
Back-to-back days.
So you're gonna go Saturday and then Friday?
Saturday and then Friday.
That's stupid. Who's gonna see you between?
You thought I was gonna keep growing my hair out right now? Are you crazy?
The only reason I would tell you to get it done is because I'm gonna have you on camera every day for the next week.
I always do it first. Why?
So she likes to turn the bowl over and eat the cereal. And guess what? This is eat the milk or drink the milk. I can't talk. You want a bagel or do you want oatmeal?
They wanted a bagel, but I didn't make sure.
Y'all want a bagel? You want a bagel too? With jelly? Okay. What'd you say, Papa?
Why is the trunk still open?
Because we're at Goodwill. We're currently at Goodwill Donation Center. This time I went through mainly my stuff and still more of their stuff, and I got rid of like 4 bags of stuff. The trunk was full, and he went and dropped it off for me, and I'm still not done. A lot of my stuff I cannot fit. It's kind of weird because I started this pregnancy at about 160. I may have been like 159, 158, which is nothing to be proud of, but I am still 160, so I haven't technically gained any weight from this pregnancy, but I'm still getting bigger. So then I'm like going like a medium-ish, and now I'm like a large-ish. But I figured why not just get rid of everything and make space to have stuff I can enjoy while I'm pregnant, opposed to holding on to stuff that I cannot fit in hopes that I will be able to fit it in a year from now. Hi, Cody Lowe. Ooh, matter of fact,
Some gum.
I brought some lotion, so I'm gonna be able to put some on her legs before we get in our destination. Huh?
Mommy, give me.
How do you ask? Excuse me, I'm bougie.
What?
Excuse me, I'm bougie.
You got the camera on you or me?
You don't see that? You, nigga.
No, I'm saying, but it ain't me, shit.
Nah.
No, nigga.
When he get on them glasses, he think he's somebody.
No. I'm somebody, period.
Oh, okay. I'm starting to become over this wig, mainly because it's short. If it was curly long, I would be more into it. But I'm kind of over it. But I had like 2 seconds to put a little mousse and get out the dough. What's wrong with your shoes? What's wrong with your toes? It's cute. Babe. Babe. One of these with just some shorts. It's simple, but it's... Apparently it's too good for Levi's. It's always the same guy for return. Aren't these shorts so cute with the little tops that match? I love these. Like, I would get these in every color for Babe. He has like every color Yeezy, so I'm pretty sure he has a pair that'll match this. These are cute. This little set is lit. I literally just went through the Buffalo. Okay, 1 second. I went through the whole like men's section of like Buffalo and found all this cute stuff. He doesn't like none of it. Yeah, look where we are.
Go get pretzels.
The plain Nike section.
Watch yourself, dude.
Listen to your daddy. I'm gonna put you in the stroller. Is what rude? Nike buckets not friends. Oh, make buckets not friends. I don't get it.
You get to put it with salt.
Okay. Can I get just the plain pretzels with salt? So apparently they're putting a 7-Eleven in the mall. Comment below and let me know if you guys have seen a 7-Eleven. But yeah, it says coming soon. Interesting. Okay, so we are in Vans. Everybody gets Vans. This look big. Perfect. Okay, so babe is getting some stuff. I was successful in finding everything I needed today. But I just got a call from my doctor's office. So I told you guys yesterday that I went to my little place, my little spot to look at the baby and get the gender. I've been there twice and they told me what it was. First time I went, I was too early to really know. I think I was 13 weeks. And so she rescheduled me for a free appointment to reconfirm at 15 weeks. And it still was exactly what it was. And last week I went and got a blood test. And that kind of checked for all the genetic stuff to make sure there's no carrier for Down syndrome and stuff like that. And all those tests came back negative. So we're good in that sense, the health-wise. And they confirmed the gender, which was exactly what we expected. So now I can officially go ahead and plan the gender reveal. I'm anxious to start saying like she, he, she. So I think I'm gonna try and get the gender reveal done this week for you guys so that we can announce to the world and to our family here on YouTube, and then from there you guys will know. So I'm excited about that. Now we know what we're having. Now we can start confirming names. I kind of have a couple in mind, but with Diamond and Dakota I was already certain the names that I wanted like right away when we knew the gender. So this should be fun and interesting, right? And your dress is just a smidge too small. You can little see her little booty, her little bloomers. It's a 12 to 18. She's now 18 months. I got it from Old Navy, but it just seems like every time I buy for them from Old Navy, they never get a good wear. It just doesn't work for me, so I don't like to shop there as much anymore. But we have like 2 more stores to go in, and then we are going home. Look at that booty. Failed on mommy's part. Thank you so much. Have a good one. You too. If you be a little bit tired and gotta reapply midday, especially in the summer, or if you just be tired at the end of the day, come to Sephora and get this deodorant here. It's at the checkout. It's by Donna Karen. I'm thank me later. But as you guys see, we've shopped until the kids drop because the kids are going crazy. Everything you do, it has to be filmed.
Why does everything I do have to be filmed?
I can't use this footage.
We going in this store. Don't pick up nothing.
Black dads.
Don't touch nothing.
Black dads.
You be quiet. We gonna get this food, get home, and you can eat. Do you understand? Mm-hmm. Don't ask for nothing. You ain't getting nothing. Only what mommy and daddy put in that basket is what's getting purchased. Do you understand? Trader Joe's ain't got no chocolate candy, no way.
Yes, they do. Now give Cody her pep talk.
That motherfucker.
She bad too. She just as bad.
Out.
I want to get out. So we're at Trader Joe's, as Daddy just said. We were in the mall way too long because these kids got way too crazy. And now we're at Trader Joe's.
We're at Trader Joe's.
Finna get some groceries.
Yeah.
So we could cook something tonight. I kind of want some salmon tonight and rice. Babe, some salmon with like butter rice. Like some rice with some butter on it. Sounds so good for dinner. Some salmon with some rice for dinner. You don't like salmon. I think I'm putting me a little salmon on the in the oven with a little
mac and cheese.
With a little onion and a little So I guess Daddy wants turkey burgers and macaroni and cheese. Wait, stay right there. Then we're gonna I'm gonna do salmon. So I'm gonna just do like 1 piece of salmon with rice, and if the kids want some, they can have that too. The thing about Trader Joe's is the baskets are a little bit smaller than the baskets at Ralph's, so they both can't really fit in. So usually Diamond has to be the big brother. Hi Diamond. Hi Cody. When they got you on the re-up, I told you guys they love the strawberry ones. The other day they didn't have it in stock, so they're stocking up. And finally I'll get to try the peaches. Daddy ate all the pears, but I want the peaches. Woohoo! Uh-oh, watch the door.
I have to break this one. I have to break this one.
You ain't never came to this one?
Yeah. I was looking at the camera, I wasn't looking at the door.
Thank you, Daddy. Thank you, Daddy. Applesauce is strong.
Hi Cody, what you got? You got applesauce? You got yogurt? Diamond, you strong? What you eating?
Applesauce.
Did you offer your sister one?
Yeah.
You say please, Cody. You want from D? D has one for you.
I have one.
Say thank you, Diamond. Say thank you.
Yuck.
Yuck. What?
You like it.
Okay, you guys go turn and see if you want to sit down. Mommy's gonna put the groceries away. Are you hungry? You ready for dinner?
I'm putting the groceries away.
Because you can't just leave them out. Did you know that? So I just made salmon.
And I got salmon. I just ate it. And I need more. And I need more.
You want more? Bring your bowl. I have another piece, but I'm pretty full, so he can have some of this. I used Crystal hot sauce today, my mommy's favorite. This is my mom's OG all-time favorite hot sauce. We use Red Hot, but I always keep some Crystal in the house. Always Crystal.
They all good. They all good. They're all good.
I seasoned it super good. I honestly, I made it on the stove being lazy because I really wasn't in the mood. So the best way, of course, to make it is in the oven. But it actually turned out really good. I'm actually filming on my Big D SLR because I'm using my vlog memory card to film. Like I said, I'm in the middle of filming, but I got too hungry to wait and it's getting late. I haven't had a lot to eat today, so I'm gonna try and finish this and maybe have some ice cream tonight just because I haven't had a lot of calories today. What did I eat today? Oh, I ate those 5 wings, or how many ever it was this morning, and I haven't had anything else. Oh, we did have pretzel, so I guess I'm okay. I'm okay. I had pretzel, I forgot about that. But you want to say goodnight? Say goodnight. Blow a kiss. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Yeah, I am sitting here crying like a baby. I'm on Instagram and Tammy.
I know I have potential, but I ain't have confidence. No matter how many.
Okay, watch it. Tammy just posted the clip from her wedding. Waka Waka giving her a speech. I don't know what it's about pregnancy, but I cried so much. I feel like I cry every other day about stuff that has nothing to do with me. Like, it's so hard because, like, I don't know. I don't think I'm a crybaby, but when I'm pregnant, I am the biggest crybaby. And it's stupid stuff. Like, I'll go through Facebook, and you know how a video pop up in your Facebook feed, and you watch it, and then once you watch that video, other videos will pop up, and you just keep scrolling down and watching different videos, and I'll see like some of the randomest, craziest videos, and I literally will be sitting here on the couch bawling, crying, and Derek or Diamond would be looking at me like, what are you crying about? And I'd be like, this is so sad, and just crying. Lifetime movies, like, everything gets to me when I'm pregnant, and that's something that with all 3 of my kids, I feel like those hormones kick in, and it is no joke. But Cody is sitting here enjoying a snack. Say hi, Mama. She has applesauce and banana. I have her. You want one more? Okay, start your banana and then I'll give you another one. You need to drink some water. Okay? Go get your water cup. She just wants to eat applesauce, and she'll eat drink like 2 or 3. They all, Derek, Diamond, and Dakota, will drink these applesauces back to back to back. But I've got to get her hair bucket organized. I actually got to order her some more hair accessories because I really got rid of all the ones from when she was a baby. But I kind of just keep a hair bucket with all the main stuff that I use for her. So I'm about to do her hair really quickly. She's going to cry, so I'm not going to film it because this girl hates getting her hair done. Which is why it's in 2 ponytails instead of 4, because she cries. So I just hurry up and get it done. Please? Do you know how to peel it? Uh-oh. Let me see. Ooh. This banana. You know how to do it? These kids love to be independent. And when it don't work out, Mommy, good job. Pull it. Ooh, girl. Go taste it. Hi, Cody. What you doing? You eating? Get your water. So as you guys can see, her hair never got done. Uh-oh. Immediately after the last clip, she actually fell asleep on me, so I just let her sleep. and she just woke up, so I had a lot of peace and quiet. I should have slept with her, but I didn't, and I'm exhausted. I filmed, this is coming apart, I've been laying down, but I filmed 3 hair reviews last night. But the downside, I was up until 5 a.m. and didn't get in the bed after like cleaning up and all that and take my makeup. By the time I got in bed, it was like a few minutes till 6, and of course it took me you know, a while to fall asleep. So basically I didn't go sleep till 6 a.m. but I got some work done. The point is now that I am too tired to actually edit, even though I have the opportunity to. I did go ahead and order us some lunch. So I got California fish grill, which is really good. Normally I get the Atlantic salmon, and I get it Cajun style with rice and zucchini, and then I asked for it. This is some oil. I've never asked for the oil, but on the Grubhub it gave me the option. Hi baby, yes? I know, you got your water? You got your water, and there's Dee's water, huh? Drink all your water, okay? So yeah, normally I get the Atlantic salmon, but today I got the big fish. Since I've been pregnant, I've been preferring the big fish over the Atlantic salmon, and it comes, I choose Cajun style, which is the way they grill it. It gave me the option to add oil, so I didn't know what that meant, but I got it. I probably won't use it because I didn't know it meant like a side of oil. I thought it meant like, I don't know, make it more buttery. But this is the Cajun seasoning that it's cooked in. So basically I got a side of this, and this is what I use to like dip and like to flavor the rice and stuff. So this is a really good meal. Hi cutie. So I kept it simple for her. I just got her some chicken tenders and fries. I had to hide the ketchup because she would make a mess. Normally I would make her eat at the table, of course, but it's just a girl today, so I'm letting her be a big girl. But I did get her a side of beans. She likes her beans. I thought it was a smaller side, but I'm gonna hand feed her those so she can get a little bit of nutrients. I'm gonna order myself a salad. It's just a simple salad, and we got a little red onion and tomatoes. Cody, they have tomatoes. She loves these tomatoes, so let's just show you them. And also a side of, or I came with blue cheese. So Cody, tomato. Look, tomatoes. Want some? She's not gonna touch the salad, but I'm gonna go ahead and eat. And we're gonna hang out for a while. I'm gonna see if she'll let me do her hair so she just won't look crazy. Because her outfit is cute, but kind of messes it up if you don't get your hair done right.